Here's a little video of how to use shop towels to make a mask, shop towels and a hot melt glue gun. So first thing, fold it in half. Then I usually take a little bit of glue and just put it down the fold here to keep it nice and neat and give you a little bit of a hem on it. So just a couple of spots, you don't need a whole lot to hold it there. And hold that down. Then the next thing, take the ends and fold them like you would wrap a Christmas present, making a triangle, like that. Put some glue on here, glue it down, some glue over here, same thing, glue it down, flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Just like you're making a Christmas parcel, wrap it, and then glue it. I found this makes the mask a lot tighter on your face, as instead of just having a square end on it. Okay. So I'm going to put a little more glue there to keep it down neat. Here, be careful, the glue is hot. Okay, so that's what it looks like at the moment. Then take a rubber band, and I just put a couple push pins in here to hold the rubber band in place. Take the shop towel, put it through like that, about halfway on the triangle, and put some glue here. It's a fair amount of glue there, so it gets pretty hot. So I just use a little piece of wood, hold it over, and hold it down. That's all there is to it. And you do the same thing to the other side. Put your rubber band on, slide it through, and then flip this over and glue it. These are disposable. They're really inexpensive to make, so they can be a one-use mask. But that's what you end up with, and it works great. Anyway, if there's any questions, you can ask in the comments. It's pretty easy to make, very inexpensive. Just a roll of shop towels, some rubber bands, a hot melt glue gun, and a minute or so to make one. Okay, thank you.